Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 14th of July. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, try to make your own charts, and not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, which hasn't really moved on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we've seen a back test of the daily middle band, and so far that is holding, and it was a nice back test over 2 days. I mean, obviously it could break, but at the moment that appears to be holding. That being the case, I'm watching the 50 DMA not far above. I've got that at about the 64 511 area, I think, and that is the main resistance I'm looking at short term. Okay, looking at the hourly chart, we did have a bit of a buy signal here, and we need to reorganize these charts, make them shorter term on the hourly, I think. But we've got a 60-minute buy signal here, and that's already reached the possible near miss target. Do we have a potential double top here? Yes. Do we have a potential bullish triangle forming here? Yes. So watching this with interest. We haven't seen any a sustained break below 61.5 would obviously break down the double top. We haven't seen that yet, and it looks like it might be heading off to test the resistance, so we shall see. All right, looking at Solana. Solana again is kicking around more or less where it was yesterday, I think, slightly below the weekly middle band, which is decent resistance at 81.28. Looking at the daily chart, no current divergence. Are we back above the daily middle band? No, we are still holding below it. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. Could this be a flag? Yes. Could this be a flag which is starting to break up instead? Yes. Could this short term be a little bull flag? Yes. So we're waiting for direction here. In terms of the flag from the high, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. Sorry, let's just let me draw in a trend line or two here. I've been paying really close attention to this. All right, bear with me. Is that a good flag support trend line? Yeah, it is. That makes this more weighty as a flag, although I really do like it when the flags come directly from the high. If that was the case here, then the next obvious target would be basically almost back up at the high. Have we broken the short-term resistance? Oh, yeah. Waiting to see if we are going to do that. Okay, I've got that in about the 76.75 area. All right, let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has been doing a little better over this week so far. On the daily chart, we've got a possible RSI 5 sell signal brewing, which I'm watching carefully. We're looking a little more bullish here, but we still haven't made it back over 1848, which I'm thinking we might need to do. Short term, we've got a very nice looking potential level top here with support at 1711.60. If we see a sustained break below that, that wouldn't look for a retest of the low, but it might get us close enough that I'd be wondering about a retest of the low. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. In which case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers. Oh, check out the oil post, Doug.